This is Danny, a PhD student working within the Health Protection Research Unit, or HPRU for short, in Environmental Exposures and Health. Danny's research focuses on how indoor air impacts human health. Everyday hobbies and tasks can affect air quality within our homes. A new up-and-coming technology is 3D printing, which involves either melting plastic at high temperatures and setting it into the shape we want, or by solidifying layers of liquid resin by shining a focused bright light to form different structures and objects. These processes can be used to make objects for the home, for hobbies, repair work, technology classes in schools, hospitals, and more. When the plastics used in 3D printing are melted, pollutants may be released into the air we inhale. Inhaling these pollutants may cause ill health, such as respiratory problems like asthma, or make them worse. But we don't know this for certain, so our research is looking into this. The pollutants 3D printers release includes tiny particles and chemicals such as volatile organic compounds, or VOCs for short. There are many VOCs in the air around us. Some are natural, for example, scents from flowers, plants, citrus fruits, pine, or ginger. However, some are man-made and are released from paints, plastics, and resins. By sampling the air, different VOCs can be separated and identified based on their chemical structure. The release of these pollutants can be reduced by placing a hood with inbuilt local exhaust ventilation over 3D printers so that the air released from them is filtered to remove small particles and VOCs. You can also ventilate rooms by opening windows to dilute the pollutants released from the 3D printers. By learning more about the pollutants released from 3D printers, this research will be used to develop advice about practical and affordable solutions to minimise the release of these pollutants. This advice will be put together with experts from the industry, the health and education sectors, and hobbyists from the general public. 3D printers have many educational, economic and medical benefits, so it's important to use this new technology safely. If you want to stay up to date with our research, visit our website for the latest news.